In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQs, that is evaluate integral z square minus z plus 1 divide z minus 1 dz, where c is the circle, absolute of z is equal to 1 divide 2. Solution. Cauchy-Gaussian theorem. Suppose that a function f is analytic in a simple connected domain D, then for every simple closed contour C in domain D, integral C f of z dz is equal to 0. The rational function f of z is equal to z square minus z plus 1 divide z plus 1 is analytic everywhere except at z is equal to 1. But z is equal to 1 is not a point interior to or on the circle C. Absolute of z is equal to 1 divide 2. Thus it follows from Cauchy-Gaussian theorem that integral z square minus z plus 1 divide z minus 1 dz is equal to 0. So option D is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.